Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to design presentations with Google Slide. So you can actually head over and then just use some templates from the template gallery right here. You can head over and then just choose which templates you want. However, you can also start from scratch if you want to as well. So actually templates makes your life easier, so you can actually just do this from scratch by just adding some pictures and also some frames that they have right here. So for example, you want to add another slide, you can head over and click on this last slide, right click, and then click on this new slide right here. Now on this new slide that will actually open, you should be able to just try to design it on your own. You can also change up some things, like for example these themes right here, you can apply them. You can actually insert some images, text box, audio, and a lot more, as well as charts. And you can also format them right here and slide background in here. You can click on this transition in order to add a transition for this case, and you should be able to see this and apply this to your all slides if you want to as well. Now once you're done editing, you can head over and share this to people that you want to share it with. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and